Okay, so here's a little bonus step for you because I think it's an important one. It's not really part of the setting for New Year's resolutions, and yet it's really a crucial place to be, and I'll explain why in a moment. And that is feeling grateful for where you are right now in your life. Loving where you are. And this is why we don't create change in our life easily when we're thinking, I'll be happy when. When I get there, I'll be happy. When I lose 10 pounds, when I'm done with this project, when I'm finally through my wedding plans, when I'm finally divorced, I'll be happy when. That's not how it works. We need to create joy with where we are in our life, happiness, loving where we are, and I'm ready for more. And part of what I tried to do through this whole process is help you begin to see that and feel it. You know, in step number 1, I said, reflect on your year. What's going well? And can you even appreciate the challenges that you're in? Because life will never be perfect. If we're waiting for perfection for joy, it's not going to happen. And when you get there, wherever that there is, there's going to be another there that you want to get to, right? So it's all about feeling the joy in the life you're living now. So I want to encourage you to go back to number 1 and really look at that and reflect on the life you're living now and find a way to find that joy and to begin to see your bigger dream that you're headed to as more of a more. I love my life and I'm ready for more. And it's more authentic living. It's a life that's more who you are and represents where you're going. So I just wanted to plant that seed, and there is some yoga and essential oils to help you with that. So if you're struggling, then definitely check that video. Actually, check the video out anyway, because it's fabulous to use this oil and or this yoga and these oils to help you deepen the appreciation of the life you're already living. So I hope this helps you inspire your life and take the next step into your extraordinary life, which is definitely loving where you are.